In this video, we're going to go over how to get a Disney bundle if you already have Disney. First, you need to log in to Disney Plus through a web browser or mobile app using your My Disney email and password. Then navigate to your account section, okay? So go to your profile, then your account settings, and then you can go ahead and change your subscription. So under subscription section, you want to go ahead and find the plan you want to change and just go ahead and click change and select your bundle, right? Choose the Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus bundle, whatever plan you prefer, and then I want you to go ahead and review and subscribe. So I want you to review the terms and conditions and then go ahead and click on agree and subscribe to finalize the switch. And if you already have an existing annual Disney Plus subscription, you first need to change it to monthly, okay? This is very important, very important. So you'll need to cancel your annual subscription and switch to a monthly plan before you're switching to the bundle, right? And then you just wait for the billing period, allow your current billing cycle to end before signing up for the bundle through Hulu. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.